Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Violet and I'm super happy to have you here. I am one half of this channel, the other half being my in real life sister named Brandy, which she does post on Wednesdays, so if you're interested in watching her as well, then please do stay tuned on Wednesdays to catch her videos. In today's video, I did do this eye look based on today, which is National Crayon Day, so I played on creating like a colorful eyeshadow, rainbow eyeshadow, whatever you want to call it, inspired for today. I hope you guys like it, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into that tutorial. My full face is done. It's go time. We are ready to work on the eyes now. If you're curious on anything that I'm wearing on my face right now, I will list it down below for you guys, so always check there for extra information. Previous videos, anything and everything you need to know, it's all down there, just in case you were wondering. For today's crayon look, since it is National Crayon Day, I am going to be pulling out my Pinky Rose Cosmetics Bright Lights palette. So what it looks like. So it's got an array of fun colors. There is a bunch of mattes, there is some pressed glitters, and then there is a shimmer here. So it is lots of fun. Again, use any colorful palette that you have. You don't have to go out and buy this one. Just use what you have on hand if you ever follow our tutorials. I had started this eye look not too long ago. It turned out like complete crap. So here we go, take two. I'm going to try and do this look again. I'm going to go in with the first shade that I used before, which is this matte yellow shade called Lit. So next shade I went in with was the shade called Cloud, which is this pretty matte, like, you know, sky blue color, hence the name Cloud. Third shade that I used is the matte purple shade right here called Pop Rocks, and it is a matte vibrant purple shade. I'm going to follow the same colors on the bottom row in the exact same order. So I'm going to start with yellow here in the inner corner, then blue, then purple. So I guess in this video we're going to have a first impressions on some new lashes that I have yet to show y'all like a full try on, but it will be coming in the next couple of months or so. I did want to use these lashes called Ariel, which they're so pretty, they're so full. And that's a wrap. This is how the final look turned out. I am actually pretty pleased compared to how I originally started this eye look, which y'all guys thankfully didn't see, and I thankfully didn't keep the footage because it was horrendous. It was disgusting to look at. I learned from my mistakes, and so I bettered them, and this is how it turned out, so I'm pretty proud of myself. Pat on the back. I quickly want to go over the products that I didn't mention that I did went ahead and use to fully complete this look. In my inner corner, I used the shimmer shade called Glitz from the same Pinky Rose Bright Lights palette. In my waterline is the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liners in this shade called, in the shade called Fresh. Love these. These are so creamy. You need them in your collection if you love neons. And they stay on all day in the waterline. On my lips is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade called Tea and Cookies. This is just a really cute pink shade. I love this shade. and it's super comfortable to wear on the lips. I don't have any issues. Of course, the lashes, I wanted to quickly kind of give you my like first impression thoughts kind of thing. They're from the AOA Studio collection from Shop Missy, the 3D foam mink line, and this is in the style called Ariel. So they are really pretty. Lash hairs are really soft. I really like how they look. I don't really feel like they complement this eye look too much. I feel like I could have used maybe a different lash, but they're pretty. I will definitely use them and wear them with, you know, other looks and wear them again. I had just a teeny bit of trouble applying them. It was just due on my part of placement on the eyes, but other than that, they're nice, they're comfortable. I don't really feel them. The band is just a teeny bit thicker than some lash company or lash bands out there. And then I do quickly want to as well include more like in-depth thoughts since I did reuse the Wet n Wild Incognito concealer. I do have a first impressions using this, and I think I blended it out with my finger. If I remember, I will try and link that video down below for you guys if you're interested in. And I am in the shade, well, I picked up the shade Medium Honey. It is just a teeny bit darker, but I did blend this out with a sponge. It was wet, and I applied that on the inner and outer corner and some blemishes. I do feel like it applied way better with a sponge. I feel like because it took, the sponge soaked a little bit more product than if I did my finger. I feel like I applied the same amount as I did previously. On like my blemishes and stuff here, a little bit of here, I feel like it doesn't look so caked on. It doesn't really look noticeable. I feel like it gave a little bit more coverage, as oddly as that may sound. And then underneath the eyes, I do feel like it just looks a little bit better. It doesn't look so yellow. Coverage wise, I do feel like it covered just a teeny bit better. I don't really notice too like heavy of a dark circle underneath my eyes, specifically right here in the inner corner. I do feel like the finish is really nice. Again, I will wear this as long as possible, and I will leave an update in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my crayon eye look, or my National Crayon inspired eye look. Let me know if you participated in this or what you did for today. I would love to know in the comments down below, and I will see you on Sunday for my regular scheduled videos. Have a great week and day. I will see you next time. Bye-bye, guys. If you would like to watch my previous video or be directed to the channel, click links on your screen.